Okay, everyone, since I haven't played Airsoft in a while, since I'm making another video shooting myself with an Airsoft gun in one day, and there might be more, because I'm really bored. Well, let's make sure the camera's, or my phone's up right. Got BBs in there. So Airsoft. I'm going to shoot myself right in the leg. Right where it's going to hurt. I'm nervous. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, that hurts. Okay, let's think. Okay, since that hurt, I want to take the pain away in another spot. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's empty. Oh my god. Oh, my knee hurts. I emptied like half the clip into my knee. Oh my god. That hurts. Not really able to see my knee, but oh, that hurts.